Introducing the Rimac C_2 2026 model. Opening scene. A futuristic, sleek garage. The camera pans across, revealing the Rimac C_2 2026 model bathed in soft lighting. Voiceover calm, confident. Born from innovation, powered by precision, the Rimac C_2 2026 is here to redefine the future of hypercars. Cut to a close-up of the car's details, the aerodynamic body, carbon fiber accents, and LED lights illuminating in sequence. Voiceover. Engineered with cutting-edge materials and design, the 2026 C_2 isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece. From its aerodynamic contours to its meticulously crafted carbon fiber frame, every inch is built for perfection. Scene shift. The car speeds along a winding coastal road at sunrise, showcasing its agility and performance. Voiceover excited. With a staggering 1,914 horsepower and 2,300 Nm of torque, the Rimac C_2 launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a breathtaking 1.85 seconds. Powered by its advanced quad-motor electric drivetrain, it delivers not only speed but unrivaled control. Cut to a digital display showcasing the car's range and charging stats. Voiceover informative. And with a range of 340 miles on a single charge, paired with our next-gen fast charging technology, the C_2 offers both performance and practicality. A 20-minute charge gives you 80% of its full range. Scene shift. Interior of the car, highlighting the minimalist, tech-forward cabin. A driver interacts with the large central touchscreen and voice command system. Voiceover. The cockpit of the Rimac C_2 is designed for both luxury and innovation. Featuring AI-powered autonomous driving, intuitive interfaces, and state-of-the-art connectivity, the car adapts to you, whether you're behind the wheel or letting it take over. Close-up of the badge with the Rimac logo as the car's silhouette fades into a cityscape. Voiceover inspired. The 2026 Rimac C_2 isn't just a leap forward in electric vehicles, it's a statement, a vision of what driving can be. Final scene. The Rimac C_2 glides to a stop on a futuristic, neon-lit street. The tagline appears on screen. Text on screen. Rimac C_2 2026, accelerating the future. Voiceover closing. Drive the future. Drive Rimac. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.